Below is a very detailed, textbook-style explanation of Benazepril, written in clear medical language and suitable for pharmacology exams, nursing drug studies, or clinical reference. Benazepril Detailed Drug Study. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Benazepril, administered as benazepril hydrochloride. Drug class, angiotensin-converting enzyme, ACE inhibitor, antihypertensive agent. Brand name, Lotensin. Drug forms, oral tablets, 5 milligrams, 10 milligrams, 20 milligrams, 40 milligrams. Benazepril is available only in oral form and is intended for long-term management of blood pressure. Definition. Benazepril is an ACE inhibitor used to treat high blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels, decreasing fluid retention, and reducing the workload of the heart. By controlling blood pressure, it helps prevent complications such as stroke, heart attack, kidney damage, and heart failure. Mechanism of action. Benazepril works by blocking the angiotensin-converting enzyme ACE, which is part of the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, ACE. Step-by-step mechanism. 1. Normally, the kidneys release renin when blood pressure is low. 2. Renin converts angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. 3. ACE converts angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2. 4. Angiotensin 2 causes vasoconstriction, narrowing of blood vessels, aldosterone release, sodium and water retention, increased blood pressure. Benazepril effects. Blocks ACE, angiotensin 2, causes vasodilation, decreases aldosterone, sodium and water retention, lowers blood pressure, reduces strain on heart and kidneys. Number 4, pharmacokinetics. Absorption. Well absorbed orally. Food does not significantly affect absorption. Bioavailability. Approximately 37% distribution, widely distributed in body tissues. Moderate protein binding. Metabolism. Converted in the liver to its active metabolite, benazeprilat. Onset of action, within 1 hour. Peak effect, 2 to 4 hours after dosing. Half-life, benazepril, 1 to 2 hours. Benazeprilat, 10 to 11 hours. Allows once daily dosing. Excretion, mainly through kidneys, urine, some elimination through bile. Summary 5. Benazepril is used for hypertension, primary use. Adjunct treatment in heart failure, off-label. Renal protection in patients with proteinuria, off-label. It is often used alone or in combination with diuretics, calcium channel blockers, or other antihypertensive drugs. Number 6. Indications. Treatment of mild to severe hypertension. Patients who require long-term blood pressure control. Patients who cannot tolerate other antihypertensive classes. 7. Contraindications. Benazepril should not be used in patients with history of angioedema related to ACE inhibitors, pregnancy, especially second and third trimester, hypersensitivity to benazepril or other ACE inhibitors, concomitant use with aliskiren in diabetic patients, severe bilateral renal artery stenosis. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Use caution in patients with chronic kidney disease, liver disease, volume depletion due to vomiting, diarrhea, or diuretics, hyperkalemia, elderly patients, increased sensitivity, heart failure with low blood pressure. Baseline assessment includes blood pressure, renal function tests, BUN creatinine, serum potassium levels. Number 9, how to use. Take orally, once or twice daily. May be taken with or without food. Take at the same time every day. Swallow tablets whole with water. Do not stop abruptly without consulting a healthcare provider. Patients should be informed that blood pressure control requires long-term therapy, even if symptoms improve. Dosing information. Adults, hypertension. Initial dose, 10 milligrams once daily. Maintenance dose, 20 to 40 milligrams daily. May be given as a single dose or divided doses. Maximum dose, 80 milligrams per day. Renal impairment. Start with lower doses. Dose adjustment based on kidney function. Pediatric use. Not routinely recommended unless prescribed by a specialist. Of 11. Misdose and overdose. Misdose, take as soon as remembered. Skip if near next dose. Do not double the dose. Overdose. Symptoms include severe hypotension, dizziness, fainting, shock, electrolyte imbalance. Management, emergency medical treatment, supportive care, and blood pressure monitoring. Notch 12. Stop or avoid taking. Avoid or discontinue benazepril if pregnancy occurs, severe hypotension develops, angioedema appears, medical emergency, severe kidney dysfunction occurs. Avoid potassium supplements, salt substitutes containing potassium, excess alcohol. 13. Side effects, common side effects. dry, persistent cough, dizziness or lightheadedness, headache, fatigue, nausea. Serious side effects: angioedema, swelling of face, lips, tongue, throat, severe hypotension, hyperkalemia, renal failure, neutropenia, rare. Number 14, vital information, nursing and clinical considerations. Monitor blood pressure regularly. Check renal function before and during therapy. Monitor serum potassium. Assess for cough and angioedema. Educate patient about orthostatic hypotension. Advise patient to report facial swelling immediately. Number 15, other drugs that will affect Benazepril. Important drug interactions: diuretics, increased risk of hypotension; NSAIDs, reduced antihypertensive effect, kidney damage risk; potassium-sparing diuretics, increased hyperkalemia; lithium, increased lithium toxicity; other antihypertensives, additive blood pressure lowering. Summary: Benazepril is a first-line antihypertensive ACE inhibitor that effectively lowers blood pressure, protects organs, and improves cardiovascular outcomes when used correctly with proper monitoring. Thank you. Have a nice day.